if you're using Gmail, and this is specific to Gmail, um, Google Workspace through Google Workspace Studio and Gemini AI released an awesome set of automations. And particularly, there's an email automation that has already been saving me a lot of time. First thing you're going to do, again, is go into Workplace Studio, hit that plus button, and you'll start the process of setting up an automation. I'm calling it my email inbox assistant. So follow along. I'll show you exactly how to build this, and I'll even share the prompts down below in the comments. So here's what you got to do. Step one, when I get an email, I'm getting an email. Step number two, determine whether this email was written by a real person who expects a personal reply. Return true only if it appears written by an individual, and return false if it's promotional, spam, whatever, right? Then the next thing you got to do is you got to have these things down at the bottom: email to review, subject, and email body. This part right here where it says step one, sender email address, I'm going to remove it and redo it for you. You would click variables, click on variables. Step one, when I get an email, and I'm going to look for that sender address. Where is that? Sender address. Right about here. Here it is, sender email address. Go to step number three. If it's true, if it was sent by a real person, we have Gemini take a look at that. And then you tell Gemini what we want them to do is put a draft in your email inbox so that you have time to review it, personalize it, and make it your own. So this prompt right here that I'll share below will allow you to do just that. And again, you'll see down at the bottom that there's these variables, the short codes that you'll plug right in there, just like I did in that last step. Step number five is where AI will have drafted that email and put it in your drafts in response to somebody writing you. And then step number six, if it's false, this might be a little bit redundant because there's already some automations that put certain emails in your promotions folder and that kind of stuff, for example. But I've gone ahead and created a label, and you would call it whatever you want, and you click that one checkbox. So now this very simple email automation, again, decides whether or not it's a real person. And if it's a real person, it evaluates what they sent and drafts a response. So I have an example in my inbox. So let me show you what this looks like. This is one right here that says marketing help. So I'm going to go ahead and click into this, and I'm the one who sent this to me. I sent it from another email, but I'll go ahead and read it to you. Jason, I was checking out your website, and I'd like to set up a time to learn more about your brilliant marketing services. Like a lot of businesses, I'm doing okay, but I don't know how to find the leaks in my funnel. AKA, you don't know where you're losing money, and you're probably losing some money. Can you help me? Yes, as a matter of fact, I can. So here's the draft. I didn't write this draft. It says, hi, Jason. Thank you for reaching out. I can certainly help you identify leaks and improve the performance of your funnel. The next best step is for us to connect on a quick call, or you can send me your top 3 to 5 questions. That way you can make sure the conversation is focused on your most critical needs, et cetera, et cetera. So that's a very business speak kind of reply. And what I would do if this is real is, first of all, I would do what I just did. I'd read it to make sure that it sounds like me. But if something seems wacky or completely AI or something I wouldn't say, then I would correct that and send it off. So in my opinion, this is good to go. So I'm going to go ahead and send it. And boom, in that short amount of time, in less than 5 minutes, I've shown you how to create a Gmail email automation that composes drafts to real people, assuming that they are real people, and they send it out. So I really hope this is helpful for you. Let me know in the comments whether or not you'd like to see more automation videos. Anyway, I'm happy to share this with you, and I hope it was helpful. Take care.